Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we're going to learn how to send WhatsApp notification for new Graphy learner. So I am an owner of a business and I sell educational courses with the help of Graphy. So here my objective is that as soon as I'm going to add a new learner in my Graphy account, automatically towards the learner a WhatsApp message should be forwarded of that I've added them to my Graphy account as a learner. For that, what we are going to do is we're going to simply create an automation between Graphy and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect runs on two concepts, that is trigger and action. In this process, my trigger application is going to be Graphy and my action application is going to be WhatsApp Cloud API. As I've created a message template with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API. If you want, you can create your own message template with the help of Whatever Interact. So if you want to learn how to do this automation, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to send WhatsApp notification for new Graphy learner. So I am an owner of a business and I sell educational courses with the help of Graphy. My objective is that as soon as I'm going to add a new learner to my Graphy account, automatically towards the learner a WhatsApp message should be forwarded. For that, what we are going to do is we're going to simply create an automation between Graphy and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. On the screen you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign in to my Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you can see the All Pabbly Apps window in front of you, in which you can see the 5 applications of Pabbly, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on Access Now. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right over here that says Create Workflow. Over here, a new dialog box is going to appear, which is asking for a workflow name. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow as Send WhatsApp Notification for New Graphy Learner. So this is the name that I want to give to my workflow. Okay. Next, over here, it is asking for us to select a folder. On the left side of my screen, you can see I have created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. For that, click on this drop down arrow, and from these folders we are going to select Graphy Automations as the folder I want to save this workflow in. After giving a name to our workflow and selecting the folder, we're going to click on Create. In order to create a workflow is created in the name of Send WhatsApp Notification for New Graphy Learner, and there are two windows in front of you. One over here says Trigger, other says Action. Trigger and Action are the two most important steps of our automation process, because our process depends on these two concepts over here. Trigger says when this happens and Action says do this. That means our action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. Firstly, what we're going to do is we're going to set up our trigger step by clicking on this arrow right over here, and for the trigger application over here, we're going to select it as Graphy. So I'm going to select my trigger application as Graphy. And for the trigger event, we're going to select it as New Learner Created. We're selecting our trigger application as Graphy and the trigger event as New Learner Created, as our objective is that whenever a new learner is going to be added to our Graphy account, automatically Pabbly Connect should capture the response. Okay. Next, over here you can see Pabbly Connect has provided us with a webhook URL. With the help of this unique webhook URL, we are going to connect Graphy to Pabbly Connect. Firstly, I'm going to copy this URL from here. After copying the URL, you can see there are some steps given here below in order to connect Graphy with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook. Firstly, what we have to do is we have to open our Graphy account. After opening our Graphy account, what we are going to do is on the left side of our screen, you can see there is a bar. We're going to scroll down, we're going to click on Integrations. After that, from the 4 options, you have to select Webhooks right over here. As soon as you go to select Webhooks right over here, the webhook screen is going to appear, on which on the top right corner it says New Webhook. We're going to click on it. A new dialog box is going to appear, on which it is asking for a webhook URL. So I'm going to paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us. I'm going to remove this HTTPS from here. Okay. After that, over here it is asking for the description. I don't require the field, so I'm going to skip the part. And over here it is asking for us to choose a event. For the event over here, we're going to select as New Learner Created, as our objective is that whenever a new learner is created, then only Pabbly Connect should capture the response. So for the event of this webhook, we have selected as New Learner Created. Okay, then we're going to click on Save right over here. As soon as you're going to click on save right over here, you can see a webhook is added in our Graphy account. This is the webhook URL for the status as active and the event as new learner created. If I'm going to take you back to my workflow that I've created, I'm going to scroll down. Over here now it is saying waiting for webhook response. So now what we are going to do is we are going to create a new learner in our Graphy account, and we're going to check whether Pabbly Connect captures the response of the new learner that we've added to our Graphy account or not. For that, I'm going to open my Graphy account again. We have to click on learners right over here. So this is my learners page from which if you want to create a new learner, we have to click on add right over here. A new dialog box is going to appear in front of you, which is asking for the name of our learner. For the name of my learner, I'm going to select it as test account 12345. This is the name of my learner. For the email over here, I'm going to select it as test account 12345@pabblytuts.com. Then next it is asking for the mobile number. I'm going to write in a dummy mobile number, okay? And lastly it is asking for the password. Over here I'm going to write in a dummy password. So after that we're going to click on add right over here. And as you can see over here, it says user created successfully, and this is the user right over here, okay? So as we have created a user successfully in our Graphy account, I'm going to open my workflow that I've created in my Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to check whether Pabbly Connect has captured the response or not. For that, I'm going to open my workflow. I'm going to scroll down, and yes, as you can see right over here, response is captured for the name as test account 12345, for the phone number, dummy mobile number, and for the email as test account 12345@pabblytuts.com. So this means that we successfully connected Graphy with Pabbly Connect, and our trigger setup is done. After setting up our trigger step, we need to set up our action step, and as our objective is that whenever a new learner is created in our Graphy account, automatically towards the learner a WhatsApp message should be forwarded. And for the WhatsApp message, I have created a template with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API. This is the message template that I've created right over here, you can see, okay? So this is the message that I want to send to my learner. As you can see right over here, this is the message right over here. This is the message that I want to send to my learner on their WhatsApp, and I have created this template with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API. So for the action application over here, I'm going to select it as WhatsApp Cloud API. So I'm going to select my action application as WhatsApp Cloud API. And for the action event as send template message, because we are going to be sending the message to our learners with the help of the template that we have already created. Then we're going to click on connect. In order to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect, a new window is going to appear, on which click on add new connection. After click on add new connection, you can see it is asking for the token, phone number ID, WhatsApp business account ID. With the help of these details, we are going to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. And where are we going to get all these details from? For that, you have to click on this hyperlink right over here that says learn more. As soon as you're going to click on it, over here a new page is going to appear. If you're going to scroll down over here, it says how to set up WhatsApp Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect. By watching this tutorial right over here, you're going to learn how to step by step you can set up WhatsApp Cloud API setup inside Pabbly Connect, and you can complete the setup. And as you're going to complete the WhatsApp Cloud API setup, you're going to get all these details that Pabbly Connect is asking for, okay? So as I've already created a WhatsApp Cloud API setup inside Pabbly Connect, I'm going to open the setup. As you can see, this is the API setup. You can see right over here. This is the WhatsApp Cloud API setup right over here. As Pabbly Connect is asking for the token is right over here. Phone number ID, the ID. And for WhatsApp business account ID, the ID right over here. Firstly, we're going to copy this token from here, and we're going to paste the token right over here. Next, it is asking for the phone number ID. We're going to copy the phone number ID from here and paste it right over here. And for the WhatsApp business account ID, I'm going to copy the ID and I'm going to paste the ID right over here. After that, we're going to click on save right over here. As you can see that we successfully connected WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. After connecting over here, it is asking for the template name. Okay, so I've created a template in the name of Graphy Learner, as you can see right over here. And this is the template that I've created with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API. And in this template, you can see right over here, I've also added a variable right over here. You can see in place of this value, there are two curly brackets in front and in the end of the value. These are variable. That means in place of this variable, I want to add a value, okay? Next to hi, I want to add the name of my learner. That's why I've created a variable right over here, okay? So if I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect, for the template name over here, I'm going to select it as Graphy Learner. As soon as you're going to select the template name, language code in the selected template ID is going to be automatically selected. Next over here, it is asking for the recipient mobile number. On which mobile number do we want to send a WhatsApp message to? As we want to send the WhatsApp message to our learners, what we are going to do is, in place of this recipient mobile number, we are going to map the data. Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So we are going to insert the data from the previous step of our automation workflow. As you can see, as soon as you're going to click on this field over here, it says Graphy new learner created. This was the same previous step of our workflow right over here. here. If I'm going to click on this arrow, this was the response that was captured in our previous step, and in this response you can see the mobile number of the learner is also mentioned. So I'm going to map the data of the mobile number right over here, and as I have mapped the data, what happens is the data has now become dynamic. That means whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically in place of this map data, the new data is going to be updated. Okay, next it is asking for the name. We're going to map the data of the name of our customer right over here, and this body field one, that is name right over, is the variable that we have created in this template right over here. Okay, so this is the variable that I've already told you about. Okay, so after filling all the details, we're going to click on save and send test request. But before that, as in place of the recipient mobile number, you can see this is a dummy mobile number right over here. So WhatsApp message cannot be forwarded to this number. So what we are going to do is, I'm going to enter my mobile number in place of this recipient mobile number, so a WhatsApp message can be forwarded on my number. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, in place of this recipient mobile number, I'm going to add my mobile number. So as I've added my mobile number, after that I'm going to click on save and send test request. As soon as you're going to do that, a response is going to be received, and the response that we have received is a positive response, because for the message status over here it says accepted. So now I'm going to open a WhatsApp account. As in place of recipient mobile number, I've added my mobile number. So I'm going to open my WhatsApp account, and I'm going to check whether a new message is forwarded on my number or not. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp account. And yes, as you can see right over here, a new message is forwarded on my number which says, hi, test account 12345. This is the name of my learner that I've added in my Graphy account. Over here it says, welcome to Pabbly Connect. This is the name of my organization. Over here it says, we are excited to have you on board. Can't wait to start this learning journey together. Here are some quick tips to get you started. Now you can access your course, log into your account at Graphy and start exploring your course materials. Stay updated. Keep an eye on your email for updates and announcements about new content, live sessions, and many more. If you have any questions or need assistance, please feel to reach out to us at dummy@example.com. Happy learning. Thank you. Regards. So this is the message template that I've created with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, and it is forwarded as a message on my WhatsApp number right over here. You can see with the details of my learner right over here. So this means that we successfully created an automation between Graphy and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. But now for all of you guys, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to add a new learner in my Graphy account, and I'm going to check whether a new message is received on my WhatsApp. As in place of recipient mobile number, I've added my mobile number. So WhatsApp message is going to be received on my number. So I'm going to add a new learner to my Graphy account, and I'm going to check whether a new message is forwarded on my WhatsApp number or not. For that, I'm going to open my Graphy account. Okay, this is my Graphy account. Now we're going to add a new learner by clicking on add right over here. Then a new window is going to appear which is asking for the name, email, phone number, and the password of the learner. So I'm going to fill in all the details. As you can see that I've filled in all the details, I'm going to click on add in order to create a new user, and you can see a new learner is created in my Graphy account. If we are going to check the details for the name as demo test123, email as demo test123@pabblytuts.com. Okay, so this is the new learner that I've created to my Graphy account. Now I'm going to open my WhatsApp, and I'm going to check whether I have received a new message on my WhatsApp for demo test123 or not. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp. And yes, as you can see right over here, new message is received on my WhatsApp for demo test123, as you can see right over here. And this is the message right over here that I've created with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API. So this means that we successfully created an automation between Graphy and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done, I am an owner of a business and I sell educational courses with the help of Graphy. So my objective is that as soon as I'm going to add a new learner to my Graphy account, automatically towards the learner, a WhatsApp message should be forwarded with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API. For that, what I've done is I've simply created an automation between Graphy and WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. So this is how we create an automation between these two applications. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video. Not just with these applications, you can create automation with the help of Pabbly Connect between multiple applications. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask your queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding the pricing of Pabbly Connect, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions and doubts, and please share this video, and thank you for watching.